and Vivo, which is a Chinese company. Vivo, in order to um, get an initial awareness of the Vivo brand, they sponsored IPL in 2016-17, for which Vivo paid around 100 crore per year to the league. But because of that, હવે આમાં જો શું થાય, જ્યાં જ્યાં IPL આવે ને, બધી જગ્યાએ વિવો આવે. તો એક વિચારો કે બ્રાન્ડની વિઝિબિલિટી કેટલી વધી જાય. હવે IPL પોતે જાહેરાત કરે, IPLના લોગો હોય, સ્ટેડિયમ ઉપર હોય, ટીવીમાં હોય, ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં હોય, પ્લેયર્સ પાસે હોય, જેટલી જગ્યાએ IPL દેખાય એની સાથે સાથે વિવો ઓટોમેટિક દેખાય. So Vivo-ની brand awareness, brand visibility increases mind-blowing times as such. The next benefit for sponsoring the events is to increase or reinforce the consumer's perception of a key brand image. Like, if you take the MRF, which is a tire company, MRF will try and sponsor the car rally or a bike rally. Why? Because MRF would try to reinforce the perception among the consumers that our tires are strong, our tires have got very good grip on the ground, and in no matter what kind of road you go, the tires will remain as it is. So in order to reinforce, બધાને ખબર છે કે MRF strong છે. સચિન MRFનું જ બેટ વાપરે છે ને, સચિનનું બેટ ખૂબ જ પાવરફુલ છે. બટ એ બ્રાન્ડ ઇમેજને રિઇન્ફોર્સ કરવા માટે they would put, or they will try to sponsor those events which can reinforce the perception. The next could be to enhance the corporate image. ઘણીવાર corporate image ને બી સારી કરવા માટે they sponsor the event, but in that case what happens is many events are those which are a kind of charitable events. So charitable events are also sponsored by the company to increase their brand image. Like, in recent times where COVID is pandemic is going on, Reliance Foundation has sponsored almost 2 crore kits. 2 crore kits to the slum of Mumbai, Baroda and several other places, and they have distributed this free from the Reliance Mart or a Reliance Superstores as such. Now this is to enhance the corporate image that Reliance is socially responsible organization. So in order to enhance that corporate image, many times they sponsor the event. Again, to create experience and evoke feeling, like Lux will always be associated with Lux Golden Rose Awards. Okay. Again, another advantage of sponsoring the event is to express the commitment to the community. Like if you just Google and just go through it, Seed the Rise by Mahindra. Now, this is a beautiful campaign which has been launched by Mahindra and Mahindra, where they have come up with several projects to help the farmers of India to grow better, and farmers don't have to commit any kind of a suicide. So that is where Mahindra want to express that it is committed to the community. કે ભાઈ અમારું કામ ખાલી ટ્રેક્ટર બનાવીને વેચી દેવું એ નથી, બટ ફાર્મરની લાઈફ સુધરે, ફાર્મરની લાઈફસ્ટાઈલ સારી થાય ને એનું લિવિંગ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ વધે, એના માટે અમે બધું જ કરવા તૈયાર છીએ. એટલે એવું એક મહિન્દ્રાને પોતાની જાતને પ્રોજેક્ટ કરવા માટે they conduct this kind, or they themselves organize a charitable kind of an event which says Seed the Rise by Mahindra. Event can also help you to permit merchandise or promotional opportunities. Like we have already seen Bone Beta quiz contest. So these are some of the benefits of sponsoring the events. Now, before I go ahead, what do you think? Vimal Filmfare Awards. Is it a right sponsorship? Filmfare, to my mind, stands for glamour. And it is a glamorous show where the movie stars and the film stars come together in a must fantastic attire and looking so dashing and handsome and sexy, and there they get award for whatever movies they have done. Okay, Vimal, which is a gutka, or what we call Vimal Pan Masala, they are sponsoring the film fair. શું લાગે છે કઈ આમાં ઇફેક્ટિવ છે? ઊંચે લોગ ઊંચી પસંદ ઇઝ માણિકચંદ, not Vimal. Vimal to har dane mein kesar ka dam, I suppose Ajay Devgan. So that's an Ajay Devgan ad which says, har dane mein kesar ka dam, Vimal. હવે વિમલ આમ એનું પેકેજિંગ જો થોડુંક ઓલું લાગશે. હા ભવ્યા, દાને દાને મેં કેસર કા દમ. હવે ફિલ્મફેર ને વિમલ શું છે, કઈ મેચ થાય છે? શું લાગે તમને? Yeah, you can put it on a chat, or if you want to say, you can even say, but just one at a time. ફિલ્મફેર ને વિમલ એ કેવી રીતે બે મેચ થાય? No sir, poor people more use this, so not as per my opinion. Okay, but poor people Filmfare award no જોવે ધૈર્ય? No doubt થોડાક lower middle class અને lower class જ વિમલ ખાતા હોય. હાઈ ક્લાસ બધા શું કહેવાય ડ્રિંક્સ કરતા હશે કે સ્મોક કરતા હશે, I don't know, I don't do anything of that sort. But yes sir, વિમલ and Filmfare બહુ મેચ નથી થતું મારી દ્રષ્ટિએ. પણ તોય આ ફિલ્મફેર જેવો મોટો એવોર્ડ જ્યાં તમને ઇન્ડિયન ફિલ્મ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીના આટલા બધા સ્ટાર્સ મળે, એને સ્પોન્સર કરવા માટે ઘણા બધા રૂપિયા જોઈએ. અને એ લોકોએ કંઈક વિચારીને જ કર્યું હશે ને? યસ ક્રીના?
સર ફિલ્મફેર ની ઓડિયન્સ બહુ વધારે હોય છે, એના વ્યુઅર્સ બી લાઈક બહુ વધારે હોય છે, and almost all are looking at it. મિડલ ક્લાસ હોય, અપર મિડલ ક્લાસ હોય, તો વધારે ઓડિયન્સ ને ટાર્ગેટ કરી શકે ત્યાં એટલે.
True, but yes મુસ્કાન ગુડ, બટ જે વિમલની બ્રાન્ડ ઇમેજ છે અને ફિલ્મફેરની બ્રાન્ડ ઇમેજ છે એ બે મેચ નથી થતી. યુઝ્યુઅલી ઇવેન્ટ સ્પોન્સરશિપનો ફાયદો એ હોય કે when you are sponsoring the event, the brand image of the event gets transferred to your brand, and your brand image gets transferred to event. Like Femina Miss India. Now Femina, which is a glamour magazine, Miss India, which is also a glamour show, Femina and Miss India match. Bournvita quiz contest. Now Bournvita, which is a health drink or a nutrition supplement, and quiz, which is also requires your mind and memory to work upon. So Bournvita quiz contest match, close up Antakshari match. Okay, close up and Antakshari. So when you have close up, your Antakshari will almost be good. Or like MRF sponsoring the car rally. So when MRF is sponsoring the car rally, it makes sense for MRF to sponsor the car rally. But here, it's doubt. We can have a discussion on it. You can have, your this thing. But as of now, let's look into the lecture. Okay, so just think about it. So, what a promotion manager, or in some companies, it is even called a brand manager, has to do is, before sponsoring the event, or before even organizing the event for sponsorship or event for its brand, he has to first look into what is my objective. Why I want to sponsor this event. Whether I want to increase the brand awareness, whether I want to create a favorable image towards the brand, whether I want to reinforce my brand image, or I would like to be associated as a responsible organization or an organization which is doing a lot of charity. What is my objective before sponsoring this event? Second, the brand manager has also to select which event I should choose. Like say in Gujarat, lot of brands they sponsor Navratri because Navratri is supposed to be a happening place. It's a part of religious values, at the same time the cultural values as such. And when you get associated with Navratri, you are also seen as a responsible brand or a culturally known brand as such, which comes from a good culture or a Guju culture as such. Design the program and measure its effectiveness. Now, while using the sponsoring event, the brand manager has to make sure that audience must match its target audience. I should sponsor those events where my target audience and the event's target audience are more or less the same. If my target audience and event's target audience are not same, there is no point in sponsoring that kind of an event as such. So here, I suppose Vimal has made some mistake. Vimal's target audience and Filmfare target audience are completely different. Filmfare as a show on television is mostly seen by middle class. It is seen by fashion designers or event management companies or event managers and things like that, where they can derive the idea for their business. Vimal is not a product for them. આ વખતે બી તમે ફિલ્મફેર જોવો તો Balaji Wafers has sponsored Filmfare. I'm not very sure what is the objective of Balaji in sponsoring the award nights. So first point is the audience must match the target audience. The event must have sufficient awareness. એટલે જે event છે એની પોતાની awareness સારી હોવી જોઈએ. It should possess a desired image and capable of creating a desired effect. Consumer must make a favorable attribution for the sponsor's engagement. Like Pepsi sponsored IPL, but somewhere in 2013, IPL was involved, or the players of IPL was involved in match fixing, setting and things like that. And immediately Pepsi withdraw itself from sponsoring the IPL. So Pepsi has to come back out. Pepsi back out because Pepsi didn't want it to be seen as a brand which is involved in certain immoral or illegal activities as such, like betting, match fixing and things like that. And that is where Pepsi immediately moved that way. We don't want to be associated with an event which is blamed for match fixing. So that's again, you have to see that event brand management is proper. Second is measuring the sponsoring activities. Like I will just give you a small example of 7-Up. Now what a 7-Up did was 7-Up tied up with Chennai Premier League. So in Chennai, what 7-Up did was 7-Up told that let's have a Chennai Premier League. They organized several clubs and several teams from the Chennai city itself, made them available with a ground and allowed them to play a Chennai Premier League. Every person who is playing Chennai Premier League, their dress, their t-shirts and trousers and everything was sponsored by 7-Up. Inside the event, inside the arena, 7-Up had a very high brand visibility and 7-Up became one of the highest taker of 7-Up in Chennai. So today, if you go around Chennai, 7-Up has got highest market share in terms of a soft drink. And during this time of this entire event, the sales of 7-Up almost grew by 3 times and the brand visibility almost got for 8 times. So that's again, yeah, maybe it's a Tamil Nadu Premier League. Well, when they started, it was Chennai Premier League. Then I don't know whether they have made it to Tamil Nadu Premier League also. And they had, a lot of celebrities. એટલે ઘણા બધા ફિલ્મ સ્ટાર ને જે હતા એ લોકોને બી એને બોલાવ્યા હતા અને એક બહુ જ સારી ઇવેન્ટ એ લોકોએ બનાવી અને સ્પોન્સર કરી અને ઇટ ગોટ અ ગ્રેટ. આજકાલ એવું બી ચાલે છે કે lot of event management companies are there. And this event management company also helps the brand manager in making this event possible. So second is, like how will you measure કે આપણે જે event sponsor કરી એમાં આપણને response મળ્યો કે નહીં? So measurement can be done on 2 criteria. One is supply side measurement and second is demand side measurement. Supply side measurement includes how many have been exposed to the brand. કે જ્યાં જ્યાં event organize થઈ કેટલી જગ્યાએ brand exposure આપણને મળ્યો. That's the supply side management. And demand side measurement is reported exposure from consumers. કે આપણા જે consumers છે એમાંથી કેટલું આપણને exposure મળ્યું. What is the increase in terms of inquiry, in terms of sales, and in terms of number of people who have tried our brand by sponsoring that event as such. And for that, the brand manager has to conduct the qualitative and a quantitative research before the event, during the event, and after the event to find out what is the effect of sponsorship on the brand. Those are just the last words that what is an ideal event? The ideal event is one where audience closely matches the target audience. કે જે ઇવેન્ટની ટાર્ગેટ ઓડિયન્સ છે અને તમારી જે ટાર્ગેટ ઓડિયન્સ છે they should be more or less same. Second is event should able to generate the media attention. When you are sponsoring the event, a lot of media coverage ઘણા બધા છાપામાં આવે કે આવી ઇવેન્ટ ચાલે છે, આવી ઇવેન્ટ થાય છે. So all that places brand ને automatic visibility મળવી જોઈએ. So event should be able to generate the media attention. Event should have few sponsors. તમે ઘણી supposing I don't know, કલકત્તા નાઇટ રાઇડર્સની તમે જર્સી જોશો, એના પ્લેયર્સના ટી-શર્ટ જોશો તો જાહેરાતથી ભરેલા હશે. 10-15 એનામાં લોગો હશે કે બ્રાન્ડ નેમ હશે એક્સેટ્રા. So when there are so many sponsors of the same event, your brand value gets diluted. So that is where the brand manager has to see that there are few sponsors and these sponsors are unique. Okay, event itself should lead to ancillary activities. એટલે ઇવેન્ટની જે વિઝિબિલિટી થાય, ઇવેન્ટમાંથી જે image create થાય, that also should be favored to the brand, and event should able to enhance the brand image of the sponsor. These are some of the things that a brand manager should keep in mind while sponsoring the event. Any questions? Any questions before we go to public relations? Or what we can do is it's almost 11:15. So public relation, maybe we can take it in the next lecture. Nana topic che public relation and publicity. So that we can take up in the next lecture. These are all, just remember the larger picture. These are all tools for promotion. બ્રાન્ડને પ્રમોટ કરવા માટેના જે અલગ અલગ ટૂલ્સ છે એમાંથી એક ટૂલ્સ છે ઇવેન્ટ્સ. Any questions? Yeah. Okay, then what you can do is you can just, like maybe send it on the WhatsApp that what is your opinion on Balaji sponsoring the award function. So Balaji Wafers, our own Rajkot-based brand, what is their idea behind sponsoring the award function? We can have maybe a small discussion on that, to what extent it is useful. Okay, fine. Any questions, any doubt, any query with the topic? Yes, Karina, would you like to share something? Karina, are you there or you left? Yes, Muskan, would you like to say something? Muskan, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any inputs? Okay, fine. Then what we can do is we'll just stop here. Maybe you can take 10 minutes break and then we can start with the next lecture. I think it's Juhi ma'am's lecture. In our tomorrow's class, we'll go to publicity and public relations. Fine? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.